welcome back. So today we are decorating a holiday / Christmas bucket list. I did one for fall and that was super fun, so I wanted to do another one for Christmas and the holidays. I am using this little sheet from Mombi. This is their Happy Notes and it's just a grid, and I actually am going to use a lot of stickers from this holiday seasonal sticker book. I actually realized I never really touched the Christmas stickers in here, and a lot of them are perfect for the bucket list. So if you want to see how I am decorating, then please keep on watching. But if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. You're missing out. I film all different types of videos, from planning videos and hair care and beauty. So you'll definitely want to be subscribed to my channel, and let's get started. I'm going to start by layering this winter bucket list sticker on the top. Okay, and then I'm going to get one of these girls. Let's see. It doesn't really snow down here that much, but I do love these snow stickers. Now I'm just going to place that right here. And there's a sticker that says pick a tree, and I don't get a live tree, but I just think it's really cute. Put that right here. Bake cookies for sure. Those pretty much go hand in hand, so these are going to be together. And holiday shopping, that's always fun. Take that here. Okay, so I do have a few more that are not on here, but I'm going to take my black Papermate Flare pen and just put little boxes next to them so I can check them off. And then I want to do a couple of things that I love to do every Christmas time. So the first one is watching The Grinch. Then also I like to watch Home Alone. Then dance to Jingle Bell Rock. And also watch A Charlie Brown Christmas. I have a little bit more room to put something on the bottom here, and this is this one that says Visit Santa. just want to have some of these like pop out, so I'm just going to add some dots. Alright, that is it for my holiday bucket list. I really like how it turned out. I think it's so cute and I can't wait to put this in my planner and use it this winter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you recreate this. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what videos you'd like to see next from me, what kind of planning videos or any other kind of videos. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!